What's up, YouTube? So, this is the beginning of my maintenance vlog. So today we're heavy on mint. We're meant to go get my hair stuff, as in hairpiece and everything, for my hair, which I will be doing this weekend. But this guy, I'm like to him, the shops are closing at 5. What time is it right now? It's 3:33. I'm like, the shops are closing at 5. He's like, yeah, sharp. No, actually, the shops close at 6. And I'm like, no, this shop is closing at 5. And then he's like, okay, yeah, sharp, will go. And I'm like, when, Miles? Anyways, if he doesn't get up it's 3:33 right now, at 1:45, I'm going to start throwing a tantrum. So, some people, guys, here's my outfit, but it's on the wing. I have to go open the gate now. Also, I'm not gonna play you out anymore.
Why?
Oh, you can't say hi guys and then want me to play you out.
What must I do?
Okay, anyways. So guess what? What doing? Okay, what I'm doing.
It's supposed to be like, what? Who am I here with?
Hello guys. So we've unlocked a new character on my YouTube channel. Okay, she's not a new character actually. She's a new character for you. But yeah. Wait. Who am I here with?
You're here with Victoria Conservations Chubum. Blow my phone name. Bye.
And what are you here for?
I sleep over for 3, 4, 5 days.
Yes, guys. That's it.
Oh, and Picsart makeover.
Cause is your heart still mine? I wanna pass some time. Now I'm sitting here thinking about you and the days we used to share. It's driving me crazy.
Guys, we are done with like the back section. Now we got to the front section.
I know you got another life, you gotta concentrate, baby. Come back to me. Can you feel me calling? Hear me calling for you? Cause
guys, it's literally 5:30 and I have 3 more days left. I'm freaking tired, like, and sun is out and everyone is sleeping besides me. Anyways,
is your heart still mine? Yeah. Too long. Don't tell me what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Is your heart still mine? Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. Even though it's wrong to lie with you. We've become numb to what we know is.
Here, but I'm not gonna unbox it today I'll probably unbox it.
It's not hot that you be calling me, stressing me, paging my people, you're just non-stop. And it's not hot that you be leaving me messages every 10 minutes and then you stop by. When I first met you, you were cool, but it was game, you had me fooled. 'Cause 20 minutes after I gave you my number, you already had my mailbox full. So what? You bought a pair of shoes, but now I guess you think I owe you. Oh, you have to call as much as you do. I give them back to the group with you. And so what? Mama like you. Now I guess you think I will do. Even if you don't say it like you do. I don't really care if you bugaboo. Throw my picture out the window. See, I could cut the phone post, break my lease so I can move. You a bugaboo, a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on call line. MAOL, make my email stop. You a bugaboo. You bugging what? You bugging who? You bugging me? And don't you see it ain't cool. It's not hot. Then when I'm blocking your phone number, you call me over your best friend's house. And it's not hot that I can't even go out with my girlfriends without you tracking me down. You need to chill out with that mess. 'Cause you can't keep having me stressed. 'Cause every time my phone rings, it seems to be you. And I'm praying that it is someone else. So what? You bought a pair of shoes, but now I guess you think I owe you. Oh, you. Have to call as much as you do. I give them back to be through with you. And so what? So what? But now I guess you think I will too. Even if the folks say they like you too. I don't give a damn 'cause you're a bugaboo. You ain't gonna throw my picture out the window. Tell MCI to cut the phone. Break my lease so I can move. 'Cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call. You bugging who? You bugging me? And don't you see it ain't cool? Call me on the phone, you bugging me. Follow me around, you bugging me. Everything you do, you bugging me. You bugging me, you bugging me. You show up at my door, you bugging me. Open up your mouth, you bugging me. Every time I see a face, you bugging me. You bugging me, you bugging me. Roll out my pages, turn
Guys, pick at my toes. I've been saying pick at my toes. Because yes, because now.
break my lease so I can move. You a bugaboo, a bugaboo, a bugaboo. Realize I don't want you. Stressing me out, doing what you do. Oh yeah. Regret the day that I met you. Bugaboo, you bugging me, you bugging me, you bugging me. Oh.
Yo, remember back on the bully when cats used to harmonize like, yo, my men and my women, don't forget about the thing. This is not the most king, yo. It's about the thing, yo. Feel real good with your hands in the air and lick 2 shots in the atmosphere. Yeah. It's been 3 weeks since you were looking for your friend. The one you let hit it and never called you again. Remember when he told you he was about to Benjamins? You act like you ain't him, they give him a little trim to begin. Now you think you really gon' pretend like you wasn't down and you called him again. Plus when you give it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then and you got again. Walking out your neck saying you're a Christian, a Muslim, sleeping with the gin. Now that was the sin that did Jezebel in. Who you gon' tell when the repercussions spin? Showing off your ass cause you thinking it's a trend, girlfriend. Let me break it down for you again. You know I only stay cause I'm truly genuine. Don't be a hard rock when you really are a gem, baby girl. Respect is just the minimum, nigga. And you still defending them now. Lauren is only human. Don't think I haven't been through the same predicament. Let it sit inside your head like a million women in Philly pen. It's silly when girls sell their souls because it's sin. Look at where you be in. Hair weaves like Europeans. Fake nails up by Koreans. Come again. Yo, win, come again. Come again. Some girls are only about that thing. Yeah. The second verse is dedicated to the man. More concerned with his rims and his Timbs and his women. Him and his men come in the club like hooligans. Don't care who they your fan, poppy.
Hello guys, I am prepping to go to my dad's, so I showered. I had already started cleaning, but like, yeah, I wanted to shower to feel fresh and everything, so I'm just gonna do my hair and everything and then continue picking up stuff to go. Oh my days, I'm stuck. I'm literally stuck. Anyways.
I lost you, babe. Picking up a planet with a press on it. It's easier holding you down. Can't be any harder than holding you up now. To come clean, I said, to be realist, to be realist. Probably true, they say about me. Probably came from my inner circle. Usually come from your inner circle, or lack thereof, and I don't know. I can trust. I've been dropping out, and I've been hanging out with my high friends, and we too stoned to pay attention. I mean, really, it's same me, it's old me, you know, same shit. I've been on the low key grinding, on the low key shining, trying to keep to myself, but you bring me out after every time again. Damn jeans, them jeans, they must be uptight, mama. You need some gift by mama. Go Gina, go get that gift by mama. Go Gina, go till you gift by mama. I belong to the party, hope it don't bother you. You go mind your business. I belong to
today
the
or
party
tomorrow.
right now.
And if I decided to go tomorrow, I was gonna have to wake up early in the morning. And then I don't do that nonsense. Wake up.
Tears in the club, just show a little love, represent your side like me. Round me, if you stick, you put your heart on my shot, and a couple of them got one. Beverly in the rear, and a couple up on dubs, so we about to go and buy the bar up. So we ain't playing, hang with no lane, walk insane. And let me where the party Just showing that skin, trying to make it on the spit. Where you been, girl? You and your friend need to come to the back. You got it locked down. Your white t-shirt or a three-piece suit, no matter what you wear, all that matters is who you with. Some diggy, some straight line, all up in the club just to have a good time. Girls just on the way, my little car, yeah. I don't think I'm smoking on it. No, I can't forget about my girl. Where the party at? Where the party at? Where the party at? Let me hear you say,
Hello guys, I am getting ready to go out with my friends and make bad decisions. Like what? Anyways, I'm just getting my face ready, so you guys are gonna see me get my face ready and then you're gonna see my outfit later. Anyways, hi guys. Oh, who's that?
That's Luna. That's the dog you said is cute out.
Yeah, but I don't know the name. I know Kevin. Because Kevin tried to bite me the other time.
Alright guys, never there's lying.
I'm serious. Last year Kevin tried to bite me.
Kevin's such a sweet petite.
That's a lie. I saw him when he was here.
Oh, interesting. Let me call a girl.
to your dress the day that we met. We were both in a rush. We talked for a sec. You friended me up so we could connect. And what are the odds? You sent me a text and now the next thing I know, I'm like, manifest. That's your oversized. I digress. Got me scrolling like out of breath. Got me going like.
Hello guys. No, thank you. Hello guys, we are at the zone. Come, let's go. Anyways, we're going to the zone, guys. What have you? Hello, we're going home now. And it's raining. And my agents might now just decide to leave. So, and I'll look at my life.
Oh, I look amazing. Me too, girl. Say to the camera, say bye to the camera. Bye, Ryan.
Guys, I said me and Victoria are forever together. Check. Hi guys. We are missing one person and we're gonna go to church tomorrow and it's not gonna come with us. Boring. And yeah, it's never gonna show up.
Are you Michael? What is going on, right? But I couldn't get through your mom, but she seems like your visa's expired too. Yes, your visa.